everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are at Winter Wonderland in London and it's extra special because we are here with our friends and their family. The kids were excited right from the moment we arrived and honestly, we were too. This place instantly puts you in a festive mood. Winter Wonderland is held every year at Hyde Park and it is one of London's most popular winter attractions. It usually runs from mid-November to early January and offers something for everyone, starting from rides, foods, markets, shows and lots of festive fun. We entered the park around 2 pm, which turned out to be a really good decision. It wasn't too crowded and we got to enjoy everything slowly and comfortably. If you are planning to visit, come early and that is definitely the best idea. The first thing that hits you here is how colorful and vibrant the place is. Everywhere you look, there are bright lights, colors, decorations, music, and smiling faces. The atmosphere feels lively and magical, especially for kids. They didn't know where to go first, rides, games, or food. There are rides for all age groups here, from gentle ones for little kids to some really adventurous ones. The kids enjoyed almost every ride they went on, and their excitement made the experience even more special for us as parents. Now I have to admit here, I am not a big fan of roller coaster type rides. But my son really wanted me to go with him. So I gathered all my courage and said yes. The moment the ride started, I felt like every part of my body was shaking. It was fast, loud and thrilling all at once. My son absolutely loved it and seeing his happiness made it totally worth it, even though I needed few moments afterward to recover. There are so many food stalls everywhere with endless options. Sweet treats, savory snacks, hot drinks, and festive foods from different cuisines. The smell alone makes you hungry. Whether you want something quick or just want to enjoy a warm drink while walking around, there is something for everyone. Since it is really cold these days, one thing we appreciated a lot was the fire warm-up areas placed around the park. You can stop there, warm your hands, and take a short break before continuing. It is such a small detail, but it makes a big difference when you are walking around in winter weather. One of the best parts of entering early is that you get to experience Winter Wonderland in daylight as well as at night. During the day, everything looks colorful, cheerful, and bright, and as evening approaches, the entire park transforms. The lights come on, the decorations shine even brighter, and the whole place feels even more magical. As it gets darker, the crowd starts increasing. By evening, the park becomes very busy. That is another reason why coming early is a great idea. You get more time to explore comfortably before it gets too crowded. We spent almost 4.5 to 5 hours here, and overall, it was an amazing day. Great company, happy kids, exciting rides, delicious food, and beautiful festive vibes. Winter Wonderland is truly a wonderful place for families and friends to create special memories during the holiday season. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. We hope you enjoyed coming along with us. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and thank you for watching.